My name is Jada Renee. I'm the CEO and founder of the INDI Group LLC. I'm an artist-curator. I help you elevate your brand. I help you elevate your business. I help you bring that confused thought to a complete thought. I'm from Buckeye. I'm from the Shaker, Larchmere, Buckeye area. Buckeye is the center of Cleveland. That's the epicenter. It's like the heartbeat. All the other veins and streets come from Buckeye. I work with the kids over at Harvey Rice Wraparound School, which after teaching there in terms of art workshop, I've just seen what they can do versus what they already feel like they can't do. And they're so young that if they're not stopped at that part of thinking, it's gonna stay there, and it can stay there forever. If they have something in their area they can go to, then that's gonna help with their confidence, one, and it's gonna help with their education and their self-worth. We don't have that. I could bring that, but I could also elevate that. So we acquired my grandmother's property. It's called the INDI Art House now. So it's in the middle of a renovation right now. Basically, I'm having it painted white so that I can have all artists go and pick a wall. They'll pick a wall and just go crazy. Every inch of the house is gonna be covered in art from a local artist in Cleveland. After that happens, we'll be renovating each space. All bedrooms are gonna be studio spaces, so we'll have classroom areas upstairs as well. If you already have a spot that's accepting your differences and kind of welcoming you to just be different. It's like a house full of X-Men kids. You just feel welcome. Cleveland is a great place to get inspiration. It's a great place to network. It's a great place to understand yourself. I just know this is what I'm supposed to be doing.